Priyanka Chopra has turned out to be one of the most stunning divas in the global entertainment industry. After conquering Bollywood, the actress has been making waves with her work in Hollywood too. From starring in a series to signing up one project after another and writing her own book, PC is certainly on her way to global domination, as her fans put it. Her fashion choices talk about her strong personality, and it ends up giving her fans some cues. Be it her pantsuits or her dresses or her ethnic wears, Priyanka makes sure that she appears looking like $1,000,000. The actress owns some of the most expensive outfits in the world, and you need to see them right here. From her bridal lehenga and her wedding gown to her Met Gala outfit, the actress owns luxurious attires that deserve your attention. Crimson Sabyasachi Wedding Lehenga. For her wedding in 2018, Priyanka Chopra wore a gorgeous lehenga by fashion designer Sabyasachi. The actress looked stunning in her all-red lehenga that is now being inspired by various brides. Reportedly, the outfit cost her 18 lakh rupees. For her Met Gala in 2019, Priyanka opted for a silver custom-made gown by Dior, which was high on drama. The actress completed the quirky look with a pair of silver pumps and purple drop earrings with multi-layered pendants by Chopard. The outfit reportedly costed 45 lakhs. Priyanka is often seen wearing a sari as an ethnic outfit during an occasion. The actress loves to channel her Desi girl side every now and then. For an occasion, Priyanka wore a blue sari with cutwork and pomegranate motifs created by Ekaya Banaras and Masaba Gupta. The actress completed her look with a pair of hoop earrings, a ring and a black bindi. The sari is estimated to cost around 42 lakh rupees. Priyanka Chopra made headlines for her Risk outfit by Ralph & Russo that she wore to the Grammys 2020. The bespoke outfit had a beaded neckline with tassels on the sleeves and a significant train that was exquisitely embroidered. The highlight of the attire was her plunging neckline that extended to her belly button. The gown is reportedly priced at £78,200, which roughly converts to 77 lakhs. Priyanka donned a Peter Dundas fox fur jacket that reportedly costed $20,000, which amounts to 12.8 lakh rupees. The actress wore this gorgeous coat at an event that turned heads for its chickness. So which one is the best outfit and the most expensive outfit you like of Priyanka Chopra? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, stay tuned to Delhi Chakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.